Foundations of critical thinking, definition, importance, and elements of thought and reasoning. In a world that is increasingly complex and information-rich, the ability to think critically is more important than ever. Critical thinking is not just a desirable skill, but a necessary one for professional excellence and effective decision-making. This article aims to define critical thinking, underline its importance in various aspects of life, and explore the essential elements of thought and reasoning that constitute its foundation. Definition and importance of critical thinking. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking is the disciplined process of actively and skillfully conceptualizing, applying, analyzing, synthesizing, and evaluating information gathered from observation, experience, reflection, reasoning, or communication. It involves questioning and challenging assumptions, identifying biases, and examining the logic and evidence behind arguments. Why is critical thinking important? In the professional world, critical thinking enables individuals to solve problems systematically, make better decisions, and communicate more effectively. It's essential for adapting to change and for the continuous learning and innovation required in today's dynamic work environments. In personal life, it empowers individuals to make informed choices and understand the world more deeply. Elements of thought and reasoning. Critical thinking involves several key elements that guide the thought process in analyzing and solving problems. 1. Purpose. Understanding the objective or goal behind the thought process. This involves clarifying what you are trying to achieve, whether solving a problem, making a decision, or understanding a concept. 2. Question at issue. Identifying the central question or problem that needs to be resolved. This requires focusing on the specific issue without getting sidetracked by irrelevant factors. 3. Information and evidence. Gathering relevant information and evidence to inform your thinking. This involves seeking out reliable and credible sources and being open to new information that may challenge your preconceptions. 4. Interpretation and inference. Analyzing the information collected and drawing conclusions based on logical reasoning. This requires an understanding of how to make inferences and interpret data in a way that leads to well-founded conclusions. 5. Concepts and theories. Applying relevant concepts and theories to frame the thinking process. This involves using established knowledge from various fields as a lens through which to view and solve problems. 6. Assumptions. Recognizing and examining assumptions that underlie your thinking. This involves being aware of the beliefs and values that shape your perspective and how they might affect your conclusions. 7. Implications and consequences. Considering the implications and consequences of your conclusions. This involves thinking ahead to understand the potential outcomes of decisions and actions. 8. Point of view. Acknowledging and evaluating different perspectives. This requires an openness to understand and consider other viewpoints, which can lead to more balanced and comprehensive understanding and solutions. The foundations of critical thinking are essential for navigating the complexities of the modern world. By mastering the elements of thought and reasoning, individuals can enhance their analytical capabilities, improve their decision-making skills, and develop a more profound understanding of the world around them. In the workplace, these skills are indispensable for leadership, innovation, and strategic planning, making critical thinking a cornerstone of professional excellence.